I've discovered a niche for you where you can monetize your YouTube Shorts channel without any hassle. What's crucial is that this niche isn't saturated like motivational videos. Plus, you don't need any scripting or video editing skills. It's all about the health niche. Now, you might be wondering, how is it possible that I don't need skills for this? Well, that's because we'll utilize AI for scripting, giving you endless video ideas. And that's crucial because the health niche is vast, allowing you to cover a wide range of topics. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First, we need a name for our YouTube channel. For that, I'll use ChatGPT. Ask it to provide you with 10 name ideas for a health niche YouTube channel. If you don't like them, you can ask for more. I'll choose from those. Now we need a logo for our channel. For that, I'll use Leonardo AI, a free AI software for image creation. Click on Image Generation. Enter the prompt you want, or you can copy mine. Adjust the dimensions. Choose how many images you want it to generate, then click Generate and wait. Select the logo you like the most and download it. Now we need a script for the video. Again, we'll use ChatGPT and just follow along with what I'm doing. I've asked it a simple question. Write a script for YouTube Shorts where there is the most vitamin C. I'm not too thrilled with this script because it only talks about oranges, so I'll ask it to write about a few fruits with the most vitamin C content. That way, it'll be much better. From the first script, I'll just take the hook and paste it here in the chat. And then grab the first 5 fruits from this list because the video needs to be less than 1 minute. Paste them here, and finally, copy everything. Now we need a voiceover. In my opinion, 11 Labs is the best choice for this. As you can see, they offer plans: Free, Starter, Creator, Pro, and Scale. You can choose whichever you prefer. Currently, I'm using the Starter plan, and I'm satisfied with it. Here, paste the text you copied. You can edit it a bit to remove any empty lines to ensure there are no pauses in the voiceover. Then, select the voice that you like the most. I'll choose the female voice. You don't need to adjust anything, just press Generate and wait. A download button will appear here afterward. Now we need videos of those fruits that ChatGPT wrote for us. For videos, I use Pexels. Don't worry, you won't get copyright issues with this site, and no registration is required. Just select Videos here and type in the fruits you received. I'll download 2 videos for each fruit. Make sure to select Vertical in the filters here. Once you download them, we'll move on. We need some background music. I always use Chosic because I've never had any copyright issues with it. Click on Download Music and choose the type you prefer. Listen to a few songs and then download. As it says here, you must copy this credit and leave it in the video description. To make the video look nicer, I'll download images of the fruits in PNG format. You'll see why later. Just open this website and type in the fruit in the search bar, then download 1 image of each fruit. To wrap it up, we need video editing. As always, I'll use CapCut for that. You can find the download link in the description. Open a new project, press Modify, and copy the settings. Then press Import and add everything you downloaded. I always start by adding the voiceover and music. I'll trim the part where the music hasn't started yet by pressing Ctrl and B to cut and delete to remove. Of course, I'll also decrease the volume because it's too loud. I'll trim the ends of the songs and add a fade out. Now, I'll add the videos. First, I'll add the two for the introduction.
Rich foods. Oranges.
Where it mentions oranges, I'll adjust and cut the excess video and add the orange videos.
Oranges.
I'll shorten the excess so that these two videos are roughly the same length. I'll speed up the second video because it's too slow. Where it mentions strawberries, I'll trim, delete, and add the strawberry video. The same process goes for kiwi. I'll add the remaining fruits, but I'll skip showing each step to avoid being repetitive. It looks like this. Now, let's add auto captions. Go to Text, Auto Caption, choose the language, and Generate. Here's the default text, which looks quite ugly. Of course, we won't leave it like this. We'll edit it. Click on the text and choose a template you like in the upper right corner. I prefer this one.
C is essential for a healthy immune system and glowing skin. Today, we're diving... Hey everyone!
I'll adjust it a bit and change the font style, and you can even change the color. Now, let's add the images you downloaded. Where it mentions oranges, add the image. Trim the excess where the text starts and add some animation to it. Click on the image, go to Animation, choose Zoom In, and for the animation out, add Fade Out. Now, cut the video below the image for the duration of the image. Go to Effects and drag Blur onto the video. Blur it to 21. You can even add transitions between each video.
They are juicy and refreshing, making them a popular choice for snacks and juices. Strawberries. These vibrant red...
Repeat the process for each fruit. I'll skip showing adding each fruit because it's the same process everywhere. And there we go. I've done the same process everywhere. I just realized the video is longer than 1 minute, so I'll delete the last fruit. Finally, press Export. It's important to change the resolution because YouTube Shorts doesn't support 2K. Now, I'll show you what the final video looks like.
Hey everyone, did you know that vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system and glowing skin? Today, we're diving into the world of vitamin C-rich foods. Oranges. Oranges are widely strawberries. These vibrant red berries are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamin C. They are versatile and can be enjoyed fresh. Kiwi. Kiwi fruits are small fuzzy fruits with a tangy, sweet flavor. They are loaded with vitamin C and provide a unique tropical taste to dishes and desserts. Guava. Guavas are tropical fruits with a sweet and fragrant flavor. They are rich in vitamin C and are often eaten fresh or used in jams, jellies, and beverages.